Guys, nandito tayo sa Vivo store here in China. And how about is the all new Vivo na iQOO Neo 10 Pro. Ganda ng gandang color, oh. Look guys, oh. Orange with a touch of gray, no? Or baliktad siguro, gray with a little touch of orange. So kita mo yung kanyang camera mounts, exact the same sa Neo 10. And I would say, really nice, ganda feel niya. Medyo malaki siguro kanyang display for me, So tingnan natin kanyang presyo. So this is going to be the price ng Neo 10 Pro. So this is how it looks like. Matte finish likod, so okay. Camera bump is okay. This is for sure plastic frames. Definitely manipis ang kanyang bezels, and of course okay rin ang kanyang punch hole, no? Okay for me, ang ganda kanyang feel sa aking kamay. So check lang natin ang kanyang camera, no? Picture na natin, not myself but yan. Snap. So this is how it looks like. And pag zoom natin, makita natin, this is the Z9 Turbo na na-review na natin, no? Cut details captured dito. So expect that it's going to be a good camera then, by the way. So yeah, if you're interested for me to review the iQOO Neo 10 Pro, so follow me for more, guys.